Good morning everybody, it's currently Saturday the 4th of November. Today we are off to Ascot for the day. It's our little like, I don't say it's like a tradition, but it kind of is. We've been going for like the last few years. I vlogged it last year, so I'll link that down below in case you want to see that vlog as well. It's like a day of races and then there's like a little bit of like maybe like a 2-hour gap I think, along those lines, and then in the evening there's some really nice fireworks. Like the firework display is just incredible, so that's where we're going today. I'm really excited. We're going with me, Jay, my brother, my mum and dad, and then my dad's side of the family. So I'm really excited. I've just finished getting ready. I'm going to put some earrings in. It is raining and it is cold and I've got a cold myself. I had a really bad cold. I don't know if anyone else had a cold. I don't know where I got it from. I think I probably got it from London. I'm going to pop a bit of makeup in my bag because we're out for like the whole day. My room is also a mess. I've got all stuff on my bed. And also I wanted to just mention this, which I got the other day in Superdrug and I've actually been wanting to get it for ages and I love it. It's the Zoella Snowella body mist. I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute and it smells amazing. Let me just pop it down there. My hair is also so long, like it's the longest it's ever been. I need to get it cut. I go downstairs, have some breakfast, and then we're gonna head off to Ascot.